Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks, and I'm back today with a quick little bag review. This bag has been highly anticipated. I have been thinking about all the different colors, hence my shirt today. And this bag is such an staple, iconic piece in the luxury community, but also in the Black community, as Pharrell is the men's director for LV, and this piece is so stunning. So a big shout out to Coeebags. Thank you so much for working with me on today's video. But as you guys know, I always will show you the packaging. So of course, your bag is gonna come double sealed, double wrapped, before you get to your big nice orange box like this. So gave me an extra little shopping bag, which I thought was so nice. Also, you're always gonna get receipts and everything in your box, along with the shopping bag straps, your luggage tag, and of course the lock with the little clochette piece. So we can't wait to assemble those. So when you pull out the bag, can you guys guess the color that I chose? And of course, they did such a fantastic job with the coloring, of course, with the embroidery and everything. And of course, sneak peek. And this is the ever so gorgeous P9 LV SPEEDY, and this color I believe is the amethyst. You guys know that one meme where the girl is like that? That's literally me right now with this bag. The detail is just so stunning. I love how it has the dark colored vachetta to give it that aged, lived-in vibe already. I love it. So let's go ahead and take out that special pillow together. I just cannot believe how spot on this bag is. It is so stunning, so beautiful. So here's the pillow. Get your little LV pillow, girl. Yes. So we got that. Packs in there. And then here goes the gorgeous interior. I forget the name of the pretty leather that is used on the inside. And then there goes that gorgeous plaque. Oh my gosh. And here goes my favorite, one of my favorite pieces from this bag. And then look how everything comes wrapped really nicely. So all your hardware is protected. The hardware is so stunning. Look at the gold, that really nice brush antique gold. So I already attached my lock here, and I put mine on the Louisvuitton Paris side. So this is where it goes down here. How cute is that? And then another main detail that I really wanted to show you guys, special dove, that is Pharrell's signature. I'm gonna show you guys. The lighting is just being wonky, so there you go. Full piece. This is kind of how I plan to wear mine. I may not wear the key pouch on the outside all the time. I just wanted to give you guys a little style up of how that will look. Right now, I just have my 2 sets of keys, a little LV kirigami, and keys on my link chain. So since I don't really want anything to get too scratched up, I'm just gonna put it in that smaller pouch that they gave for the clochette, for the piece, and any like liquids or sticky stuff. So I got some sanitizer, a lip gloss, and so you have like a little Laneige you could put in there, and that's what I'm gonna keep in the little pouch because I don't want my nice smooth leather getting all crummy. So we're just gonna put all that in there. That's how that looks. My phone case. I have the 14 Pro Max. AirPods can go in the back pocket back here. Let's go ahead and put that in there. And tissues can also go in the back pocket. This is how everything looks. I absolutely love the 25 size. I think it is stunning, and of course much more can fit in here, but that's pretty much all of my daily essentials. So with my things in there, it definitely has put on some weight to it.
So this is how it looks with the extra strap, and the strap is adjustable. It does come with this extra piece, but yeah, I have to do like a separate video and show you guys just the assembly of this bag because it's so intricate and so different.
So that is my quick little review. You guys know I had to come through and show you a little style up with a little hat. This would be such a cute fit to go to the movies, out shopping, you know, nothing too a major girl, but you got your P9 Speedy. This bag is so stunning, and I can definitely feel the weight. So that means the quality and the choice of leathers that they used on this bag is absolutely top notch. You definitely feel that squishiness. See, the bag is just so malleable. Look at that. It's just so gorgeous. So as always, everything is gonna be in the description. So stunning. And as always, thank you so much again to Coeebags. Like I said, all links, coupon codes, everything will be in the description. As always, as you guys already know, shipping was very good. Took just about 2 weeks to get to me. I am located in the States, so shipping is very fast. Communication is very good. So WhatsApp, they do have Instagram and everything. They're basically, their communication is top tier, so I really appreciate that, especially when you're going the affordable route. Nothing is wrong with that, so just letting you guys know that. And also, thank you guys so much for all your love and support. You guys know I am expecting a baby girl soon, so I chose this color also just to go with the theme, girlier colors and things like that. So I'm so excited as well. So you guys know I have a couple more pregnancy updates to do as well. So you guys look out for that content. And thank you guys so much. Honestly, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to bring you the cute style up, the cute fashions. Also, don't forget to follow me on IG. I'm definitely going to start taking some pictures. But as always, thank you guys again. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll definitely see you in the next one.